Considering a switch from Optimum to Verizon Fios, here's a concise guide. First, confirm Fios availability at your address via Verizon's website or app. Fios offers speeds up to 2 gigabytes per second and superior reliability. Order your Fios service online or by phone. You can usually transfer your existing phone number within 1 to 3 business days and TV channels if applicable. Expect a confirmation email from Optimum. Installation is typically scheduled within 1 to 2 weeks. Provide your Optimum account details for billing transfer. Consider enrolling in Verizon's AutoPay for potential bundling discounts. As of 2025, Verizon Fios has expanded its coverage to over 25 million homes and businesses, focusing on rural and suburban areas. This switch leverages fiber optics, offering symmetric upload-download speeds and lower latency compared to Optimum's hybrid cable fiber network. Take advantage of Verizon's quick transfers with same-day installations in many areas, facilitated by AI for efficient scheduling. To avoid extra charges, return all Optimum equipment like modems, routers, and set-top boxes using the prepaid shipping labels in your disconnection kit. Return within 30 days to prevent fees of $150 to $300 per device. Be aware of Optimum early termination fees, $10, $15 per month remaining on contracts, capped at $200 for internet. Month-to-month plans have no ETF, but include a $99 disconnection fee. Verizon waives installation fees for 24-month plans. Otherwise, expect $99 standard or $149 for advanced setups. A $50 activation fee may apply for phone transfers, but promotions can offset these costs. Bundling internet and TV can save $10 to $20 per month. Consider Verizon's $100 bill credit promotion for switching to reduce upfront expenses and save 15 to 25% on bills long term.